Bitter gourd is one vegetable that many don't try because of its bitterness, but it's very good for your health. Today I have a wonderful recipe that you can try. It's bitter gourd fry. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the bitter gourd fry, I've taken about 300 grams of large size bitter gourd. You can see it's a nice large piece. So I've cut it into nice thin slices with the seed. So if you don't want the seeds, you can remove them, but I'm going to retain the seeds. Cut it into thin slices and keep it aside. Take a nice white pan. To this add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to temper a few ingredients, starting with half teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, add quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder or hing. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add a few curry leaves. Now add the bitter gourd slices. The bitter gourd slices till they turn to a nice light golden brown color. I'm keeping the flame on high to fry the pieces. You have to stir fry at intervals so it cooks on all sides and all the slices are cooked. When the bitter gourd is half cooked, add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can see the bitter gourd slices have turned to a nice light brown color. Now I'm going to start adding all the spice powders. Reduce the flame while adding the spice powders, otherwise they can get burnt. Starting with quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything together. Keep the flame on medium and continue to fry the slices till you get a nice rich brown color. I'm going to make a simple masala powder to enhance the flavor of the bitter gourd fry. For this, take 1 tablespoon of roasted chana dal, 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut, a large piece of garlic cut into pieces, half teaspoon cumin, 3 red chilies. Grind it all together. The masala powder is done. So you can see the bitter gourd has come to a lovely rich brown color. Finally add the prepared masala powder. Now this definitely enhances the flavor of the fry. After adding the masala powder, just mix it for about a minute. You can see the masala has coated all the pieces beautifully. The bitter gourd fry is ready. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. There you go. Here is this absolutely delicious yet simple bitter gourd fry that you can enjoy with some nice rasam or sambar and some nice hot steaming rice. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.